out your window, baby, where the snow is falling down.
Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related. So I am heading to Home and Things on Old Oak Road just to check out what they have in store. So if you love content like this, don't forget to subscribe.
By the table, I keep one empty seat, for you're not here. What can I do? It's another Christmas time without you.
So as I enter in store, I saw these LED lighting kit. These you can use with your smartphone, and what I like about them, these can be great gifts for the Christmas. So if you're thinking about unusual gifts, these you can purchase. This LED table lamp would be great if you're a person that works around the computer in the night and you don't want to have the overhead light on. If you're a person that work from home as well, this would be great for you. Over this section they have these light bulbs, LED light bulbs. They come in pack of 4 as well, and they come singles, so you can come on over and purchase as well. Over this section here they have these kitchen mats. They have these in different design. They have them in coffee, lemon, and the thing is, when I visited, they had this sale going on. You can get your bathroom mat with shower curtain. These mats aren't bad. I like the quality of them, and you can come and get them here if you want to change up the look for the Christmas or just for any season. Some of them they have them in different colors, different style, different designs, so you guys can come over and purchase. Here they had these solar garden lights. You can get one for like $588 plus tax. So if you're a person you don't want to have lights outside like JPS light or regular electricity, you can purchase these solar garden light. You just stick them in the ground and you have light outside. So these would be good purchase for you, and these can be gift as well. So if you know someone needs some outdoor lighting, these would be great gifts. Over this section they have some plug outlets and other bulbs, and they had these lamps. They can get lamps over here for
Oh baby, I wanna spend Christmas time with you.
So they have different price range lamps, different size. I need 2 lamps myself, so I really need to just pick a lamp that I like. I can get lamps for like 4,400, and these have discounts on them, so you'll get a discount off the price, 5,700. These prices aren't bad for these type of lamps. So if you need a new lamp, you can come on and check out Home and Things to see if you love any of these. If you're looking for bathroom lighting, you can get these here. They have different design, different style. These can use over your vanity depending on where in the bathroom you want to put them. So they have different styles that you can choose from. Home and Things is known for these type of stuff. Persons love to shop their sale. One thing, you know, when they have sale, you know when they have a sale, the roadside full up with vehicle. So come on over and check out Home and Things for these stuff. They have all different types of lighting, as you can see, and different design. So whichever you choose or whichever you like, you can always come and make your purchase. Thank you guys, as I mentioned before, thank you for supporting my Vlogmas 2022. Thank you for the comments, I see them all. I just want to say a big thank you guys, it do helps, and I just want to say thank you again. So after looking on a few stuff downstairs, I decided to go upstairs to see what they have up there. I know normally they have like toiletry, vanities, and so I'm going to see if they have anything new since the last time I visited. I think the last time I visited was last year this time, so it's been a year since I've been to Home and Things. So let's head on upstairs to see what they have. These are like some faux grass for like 11,500. So you can choose any one of the design that suits you. Most persons use these like background backdrop stands. So they have wide variety of doors. So if you're renovating or you want to change over some doors, this one here for like $75,000. It have a shoe, this like a shoe hanging rack on it. So they are showing you what you can do with it. They have this vanity here. This one is for $111,999. They have this style here as well, and as I mentioned, I shop here when they do have a sale. So when you come, you might not get the sale, it depends. But this was a block sale, I think. But you know, most time them have different sale right through the year, so it depends on when you're coming to shop. They have kitchen sinks as well. They have double side sinks for like $34,000, $37,000. They have different prices on the sinks, and as I mentioned, they have toilets, and you can get these vanity set as well. And they have bathtubs and so most of those stuff for the home, if you're doing some renovating and so, you can get them. This vanity set here is for $109,000. TV stand, you can get a TV stand here if you want a new TV stand. And kitchen trolleys, they have this kitchen trolley here. This one is for $20,649. So this one can put in the middle of your kitchen or a corner in your kitchen if you're doing some prepping, and so you know you can just slide it back to a corner. They have these bookcases, and as I mentioned, these can use for different storage purpose. This one is for $6,200. They have these organizing drawers. These can store different stuff. If you're an artist or a painter or a DIY, you can store your supplies. If you're into sewing, you know you can store your threads and all. So they can use for different storage purposes.
Oh, Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear. The whispers reaching my ears of warm intention.
So as you can see, they are wide on those type of stuff. They have showers, they have bathtub, they have jacuzzis. So they have so many stuff here. I'm heading back downstairs to the section where I saw a dish drainer, because you guys now need a good dish drainer. The one that I have that's a stainless steel is rusting, and I'm getting annoyed of it. But I just need a good dish drainer.
Time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheek.
Here was where I purchased the light for the vanity. For the kitchen cabinet, the under kitchen cabinet in the kitchen. But you guys know that was just a regular light, and I just used two-sided tape. But since Ahsoka sponsored a video, you guys need to watch that video where I got a under cabinet lighting. It's been really good. It's a rechargeable light. You guys can check out that video down below. This is a Wi-Fi plug. You can use a smartphone and so to connect it. And this is all I have to share for home and things. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Thank you for supporting Vlogmas 2022. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out.